Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Math, Section 1.3, Problem 8. This is Section 1.3, Problem 8. We have to add the numbers 438,734 plus 866,091. Now the problem is written horizontally, which I find more difficult. So you can take just an extra minute to write the numbers over again in a vertical format. So 438,734. Beneath it, write 866,091. Put that line underneath the problem and a plus sign. So now I can go ahead and add one column of digits at a time. So I will start at the far right column and I will add 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. There is nothing to carry. So I go to the next column of digits and I will add 3 plus 9. 3 plus 9 is 12. So I'll write the 2 from the 12 under that column of digits, take the 1 from the 12, and carry it to the top of the next column of digits. And now I will add 1 plus 7 plus 0. 1 plus 7 is 8, and then 8 plus 0 is still 8. Now, with just 8, there's nothing to carry over to the next column, so I can just go to the next column, which is 8 plus 6. 8 plus 6 is 14, so I write the 4 from the 14 under that column of digits, take the 1 from the 14, write it at the top of the next column of digits, or carry it, and now for the next column I add 1 plus 3 plus 6. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 6 is 10. So for the 10, I will write the 0 from the 10 beneath the column of digits I just added, take the 1 from the 10 and carry it to the top of the next column of digits, and now I will add 1 plus 4 plus 8. So 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 8 more is 13. Now for the 13, there is no next column of digits, so I can just write the 13 the way it comes out. And if you like, you can put in the commas. Starting from the left, every 3 digits over, you put a comma. Starting from the right, I should say. And now the final answer is 1,304,825.